Lamb Split Chickpea Stew or Lamb Split Chickpea Lentil Stew or Lamb Lentil Stew. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the chickpea recipes and one of the most unique of the garbanzo beans recipes and one of the most delicious of the lamb recipes and one of the most unique of the chickpea recipes and one of the most delicious of the dal recipes. It can also be called Chana Dal Ghosht. We're going to make mutton split chickpea lentil curry. We're going to make mutton split chickpea lentil curry. We have taken the next ingredients are around 100 grams of split chickpea or chickpea lentil, 1 tomato cut into pieces. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Put in the ginger and the shallots, the garlic, soft cabbage, put in saute. Cut it in soft. Until the shells lose the pinkish color. Have the sauce. Now put in the mutton pieces. Add a minute. Put in the turmeric powder, put in salt taste, thoroughly mix. Let it cook. Coriander powder. Putting the chili powder. Thoroughly saute and mix. Putting the tomato pieces. Salt. Putting the split chickpea or chickpea lentil. Salt and mix thoroughly. Pour in around 250 ml of water. Mix. Close and cook for 30 to 40 minutes. The required amount of time. Open. Put in some curry leaves. Mix. Now the lamb lentil stew or lamb split chickpea lentil stew is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final lamb split chickpea lentil stew or lamb lentil stew or Dal Ghosht, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the chickpea recipes and one of the most unique of the garbanzo beans recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the lentil recipes and one of the most unique of the lamb recipes and one of the most easiest mutton recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and press the notification button.